Alright, so here with a Reggae Boy fan after the game. What are your initial reaction about the game? Jamaica 2, Honduras 1.
Yeah. Well, basically, the score pretty much fair on the balance. Jamaica kind of start off a little bit rocky and then we get back into the game and thing. Penalty, their penalty due. Our penalty fair enough as well. Overall, still we don't look too bad. Have a whole heap of like shaky spots so we want to work out and stuff. But I figure say, well, at the end of the tournament and thing, and it's not like there is qualifying at stake. So we basically get to see some ballers, get to see like Zeminis get a run out and thing, and kind of like that approach as opposed to just flooding it to all ballers when I go progressing at the next round, then I now go be with the team in the next qualifying or next campaign. So that I might take from the game overall.
Makes sense. No, the game is over, but not only is the game over, the campaign is over. This World Cup qualifying campaign. Sum it up for me. I think it's a poor, embarrassing, or some adjectives that come to my mind. Sum it up for me.
I feel to see how many persons would disagree with you when you summary of the campaign. It started out poor, got poorer after that, end on a little consolation win.
Yeah.
As far as me see it. We make a whole heap of blunders, I think, in the campaign before now. And we basically just, even like the El Salvador game, we never look good. Canada, we look like how we expect to look, which is not good at all either.
True.
Today we come out and salvage a little bit of pride, but I don't think it really console many persons overall. And a whole is a atrocious campaign.
I agree.
I think.
Man of the match for the game.
Ravel Morrison.
I agree with you, no?
Yeah.
I feel like this window is Ravel's best window. What do you think about that?
I think the whole the whole period of the last couple of months, Ravel best time for a while, because it's not like a player who get a whole heap of long run of play. But this, as I said, the last 3 games, Ravel kind of show up and look like Ravel, what we expect years ago.
There we go.
Yeah.
Thank you for the talk, General. This is That Sports TV. Check it out when you go home. Respect.
Respect.
All right.